The 30-day niche challenge. My quest for affiliate gold. I set out on a simple mission. I wanted to find out which affiliate niche could make real money, and fast. The world of affiliate marketing is filled with advice. Some say go for your passion, others say chase the high commission offers. I decided to stop guessing and start testing. So, I picked 5 popular niches. I gave myself exactly 30 days. For 1 month, I would treat each niche like its own small business. I would create content, promote affiliate links, and track every single click and sale. My goal was to find a clear winner, backed by real data. This experiment wasn't about building a long-term brand in 30 days. It was about finding a signal. I needed to see which topic resonated quickly, where people were not just looking, but also buying. My hypothesis was simple. The niche with the highest buyer intent would win. To get clean results, I needed a strict set of rules. A fair test was my top priority. If the methods were different for each niche, the data would be meaningless. So, I created a simple, repeatable system. For each niche, I published 1 new piece of content every day, 30 pieces per niche. The content was short and to the point, usually a simple article or a sub-2-minute video. In every piece, I included 1, and only 1, affiliate link. I looked for free trials or low-cost entry points to remove friction. After publishing, I spent a small, fixed amount to promote it, identical budgets across all 5 niches. Same platforms, same email segments, same level of exposure. No niche got an unfair advantage. Every day I logged views, clicks, and conversions. This kept me honest and gave a near real-time performance view. Same content format, same schedule. This way, the results would speak for themselves. I started with AI tools because the hype is impossible to ignore. New tools launch weekly. People are curious and excited. I created simple demos for beginners and linked to free trials or freemium plans. Daily content, short reviews and practical demonstrations. 1 minute, draft a solid email with an AI assistant, or comparisons of AI image generators. The aim, immediate value you can use right now. Over 30 days, AI tools earned 18,000 views. That generated 760 clicks, a solid click-through rate. From those clicks, 38 conversions, about 5%, telling me demos bridged problem to solution. Some AI tools pay recurring commissions, stacking potential over time. Volume plus recurring revenue made AI a strong early contender. The online business niche is an evergreen giant. Decades of demand for info, tools, and courses. Hosting, email marketing, course platforms, digital products. The affiliate options are endless. I built practical beginner guides to help with first steps. Each day solved a specific problem with clear, action-oriented content. Comparisons, pros and cons, and direct recommendations with a discount where possible. 30 days, 12,500 views, lower than AI. The space is crowded with experts and brands, harder to cut through. 420 clicks leading to 21 conversions, about 5%, same as AI. Fewer sales, but bigger dollars per conversion. As a newcomer, expect a long-term trust game, not overnight explosions. Health and fitness is a massive market. Everyone wants to be healthier, stronger, or lose a few pounds. I avoided medical advice, stuck to simple workouts and basic nutrition tips, short exercise demos and easy nutrition articles including 5 healthy swaps. Swap 1, Swap 2, Swap 3, Swap 4, Swap 5. Promoted reputable programs and meal plans. Trust matters here. It won on views, 20,300, but only 510 clicks, significantly lower CTR. 16 conversions, a major drop-off. Lots of free content consumers, low buyer intent. Platform ad restrictions add friction to health offers. Big lesson, high views don't automatically mean high income. The personal finance niche offers huge commissions, credit cards, loans, investment apps, but it's built on trust. I focused on foundational topics to earn credibility, budgeting, saving, and understanding credit. Straightforward explainers, no big promises, no investment advice. Linked to genuinely helpful, low-risk tools. Only 9,800 views. YMYL visibility is tough for new creators. 230 clicks, the lowest volume. But those who clicked were serious. 15 conversions, over 6.5%, the highest rate so far. And those conversions can be very valuable. It's harder to get traffic and trust, but the rewards can be large, not a quick win niche. In finance, quality of clicks beats quantity. The unexpected power of software tutorials, my final test, treated as its own niche. Millions use software daily and get stuck on specific tasks. If I solve a small specific problem, viewers are motivated to use the tool. Many software programs offer affiliates, often recurring. My plan: short, focused, no fluff screencasts that go straight to the point. Examples: removing a background in Canva, creating a pivot table in Google Sheets. If you want to do what I just showed you, here's the tool. 16,100 views. Healthy interest. 1,020 clicks, the most by a wide margin. Tutorial intent and tool offer were perfectly matched. 92 conversions, 9%, the highest of the experiment. When you search how to do X and Y, you need the software now. Recurring commissions can compound months or years. Software tutorials proved a buyer intent powerhouse. After 30 days, it was time to lay all the cards on the table. Health and fitness won the popularity contest, 20,300 views, but failed to turn attention into action. Personal finance had the fewest views but high conversion value. Clicks showed which content prompted action. Software tutorials led decisively. Conversions, what translate into income, made the winner obvious. Software tutorials dominated, more than double its closest competitor, nearly 6 times the lowest. It perfectly aligned with urgent user intent and delivered the highest CTR and conversion rate. Plus, recurring commissions create long-lasting income. The biggest lesson: solve a specific problem. That's what drives conversions, right? Prioritize buyer intent over views. Don't chase the biggest audience, chase the most motivated. I'm doubling down on software tutorials, expanding depth and building a site and email list. Pick 2 or 3 niches, give it 30 days, track views, clicks, conversions, and let data guide you. Before we wrap, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more data-driven growth hacks. Join the challenge and drop "I'm in" below.